This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must stop and not attempt removal. Watermarks signal an owner's rights, and bypassing them risks legal and ethical consequences. Instead, start by identifying the image source and ownership so you can pursue lawful use. Once done, make sure to note the license type: Creative Commons, royalty-free, or reserved, because each option dictates what you can legally do. If you need the image for a project, move directly to obtaining permission, a licensed copy, or a substitute image from legitimate sources. You should contact the rights holder and request a licensed, watermark-free version, explain your intended use, and offer payment if required. Once you have permission, get it in writing and confirm any attribution or territorial limits. If contacting the owner isn't possible, search stock libraries and filter by license type. Some sites offer free CL or low-cost commercial licenses. Make sure to read terms, commercial use, time limits, and required credits. This protects you and replaces any urge to remove a watermark. Finish by choosing a lawful route. License the original, select a royalty-free substitute, or produce an original image. These avoid legal risk. Once done, maintain copies of licenses and correspondence. They are your proof if later challenged. If you were refused permission, do not attempt covert edits. Instead, crop where legal and permissible, or replace the asset with one you own or licensed. If disputes arise, consult a legal professional and present your documented permissions to resolve claims promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.